Morning, happy Friday. Welcome. I apologize for not having come live the last 2 days. It was over, or has it been 3 days? Holy shit. I think it was just Wednesday, Thursday, but I was over in Orlando and I just did not have the ability to go live, but was not expecting it to be that way. I really did think I would be able to pull it off, which is why I didn't say anything. The market's been going insane. The market has been ripping the last couple days, which is super unfortunate that we've not been paying attention to it. Because look at that. Yesterday would have been a perfect day to trade some Bitcoin. Today even, like literally right now, is a perfect entry point on Bitcoin, in my opinion. Let's see. Yeah, wait. I think everything just kind of lined up smoothly for us joining. You see the RSI divergence there. The RSI dipped down lower on this wick than it did here. It's showing a lot of strength for a reversal. So before we even get into anything, I'm going to enter a Bitcoin long. I haven't even looked at all the other stuff going on in the charting world. So maybe I'll go through really quickly just to give myself a second, calm down. Cardano looks pretty good as well, but Bitcoin's got that liquidity, so you might as well just stick with the hell XRP. Everything looks beautiful for this. BNB looks pretty solid. Aave looks pretty strong. We're gonna do Bitcoin though. What's that percent move? Bitcoin's super bullish. 1%, 1.7. Good morning. Whew. Let's put this up here though first. Yes, good morning, Johnny. Good morning, Dream. Happy to see you guys in here. I appreciate you guys. You guys spotting this early. You found it before I even put it out there, Dream. I clicked create and then I see Dream pop up and he's like, let's go. Let's get some longing. We gotta be careful understanding how overextended it is on like the daily. So this isn't something I want to swing trade and hold on to. I don't think. I want to get in and out of this position pretty quickly. Is there any major resistance anywhere? No, everything looks pretty good actually to just go with the gut and get in there. And that divergence is key. Beautiful. All right. Let's go. We are long Bitcoin. Now let's see how this plays out. How are you guys doing? How you doing on this Friday? We're looking for that 1% gain, just right back up to the line here. Hopefully we don't break below the VWAP and stay down here. I'm supposed to be going to the gym with someone, but he just now messaged me back, and so it's too late. I already went live. I'll probably text him in a minute, but set my stop loss and take profit and everything. I don't think I want it all the way up there, so we'll do that and we'll do the whole thing, and then we'll do the stop loss down here at 29,350, and we'll do the whole thing. 0.9350 is even a little bit higher than what I put, but that's chilling. We're chilling. Dope. Love having to restart the live to see the live. Ugh. I hope that's not on my end, Dream. No, we're chilling. Okay. Alright, as far as news, I didn't get the moment to pull up any news because I wasn't sure that I'd even be able to come live today here, but let's go see what's going on in the Explore page on X. So Bitcoin has been trending for a few days, and that's rightfully so. I mean, you look at the amount of movement that we've had, you look at how drastic this move has been on Bitcoin compared to the previous few days. Like the previous 2 months, really, Bitcoin's done nothing, and then we just skyrocketed up to 30,000 again. So a lot of people are expecting it, I think, to break above. I do have to say I was wrong. I really fully expected us to get rejected here and come down to that $20,000 range, and I was short. So my shorts got stopped out. I wasn't short Bitcoin, I was short BNB, Solana, and Aave. I should have taken the profits when I had them, but they were not, like, I wasn't expecting this movement, obviously. I am still short BNB. Solana came close to me taking some profits, but didn't really hit any profits, and then skyrocketed up and is breaking above the resistance I was expecting. So maybe we re-enter as it tops out here. It is a little bit overextended, and we do have it a previous point where it's been getting rejected up here. So maybe, but I gotta wait for confirmation again. I thought this was confirmation for me, and it reversed and continued up. Aave just had like a single wick spike up to my stop loss, so happy for that. Love to get wicked out constantly. Again, I'm gonna wait. I'm still got that bearish tendency, at least for the altcoins. Like you look at some of the larger altcoins out there, such as ADA. ADA's been in a slow bleed, and it's like not showing any signs of support. It's looking a lot like what Quant looked like back when it was starting to break $100, right? And then we fell down to $86. So that was a pretty sizable fall. 10-11%. ADA's looking like the exact same thing. We just continuously bounce off of this 25-cent range, but never quite make it as high as the previous bounce. So I'm fully expecting this thing to break down. We got Matic. All major altcoins are looking very similar in that they're slowly breaking down support. So my bearish tendency is still pretty strong. I just was in the wrong ones, I guess. Like, look at that. XRP had some really good news and it spiked up, but it did not spike up, like, at all, actually. 10% is not a big move. Aptos, still bleeding. Arbitrum, still bleeding. BNB. Did you guys see Josh's video on Binance that he just posted on CryptoZaros Plus? That was pretty interesting to watch, I'm not gonna lie. It was kind of scary. Kind of scary. Aave is just doing this again. Aave is just straight up doing this again. Well, I didn't mean to copy all of that. See, that is just happening a little bit delayed. So we came up to the resistance line, got rejected, came down, back up a little bit higher, got rejected, and came down all the way. We came up, got rejected, came down, we're coming up again. Maybe we don't go quite as high, and we come back down. If you look, the RSI is diverging. It's continuing to go lower and lower, so we will see. I just don't think with Bitcoin dominance continuing to break out. Altcoins are just having a hard time. Altcoins are going through the ringer. Alright, we gotta find that support here. Did any of you guys enter the Bitcoin long here with me? Johnny, let's go. Hopefully we find that support. There's always the possibility, right, that this is the time that we break down support and we come down. It would kind of suck. I would not enjoy that, but the RSI looks pretty good. The pattern's looking pretty smooth for the day. It's just that this line here has been a pretty major area of resistance, that $30,000 range. So if we get completely rejected off 30,000 and crash back down, then so be it. Otherwise, this is like a good scalping play. I gotta text Sam. Watch, we're gonna get stopped out. The first one back, literally the first one back, we're gonna get stopped out. I'm getting eaten up. These getting stopped out of the Solana trade was not what needed to happen. That hurt. That hurt my account pretty bad. Especially because I was up on them. Solana and Aave. I was up on both of them. And then I ended up getting cut out of both of them. So that one was like, what the hell? Again, it always seems to come back to like when I stray from my plan, I get bodied. Not always, but like I have my very specific plan, and then when I stray from it, my odds go down so much. My 2x time to live, I don't want to miss anything. You're not missing too much. I'm off today and tomorrow, hoping to get on track tomorrow or tonight. Let's go. And take the weekend to really get your shit in order, right? Yeah, I mean, that's what they're there for, right? So good shit. We love some time off. I am going the end of this month, I believe the 27th, so a week from today, I'm going to the Bahamas for a week. So this week here, I will not be live. Through Halloween week, that whole week, I won't be going live. So next week will be our last week together for a little bit. It's alright, it'll save you some money, right? It'll save you some money because we're about to get liquidated. Let's see what else is going on. Is there anything specific that's happening to Bitcoin though? That's probably what we should be looking for right now. We probably should be paying closer attention to what is actually causing this move, because this is a very, very drastic move upwards. So something is happening. Maybe we're seeing insiders scoop up Bitcoin before the spot ETF happens. 27th, Bahamas. You're gonna schedule some videos to help us survive. This upcoming week, this whole week here, I'm going to be creating content like crazy to make sure I have enough to last through this week. Yes, I will be posting videos still throughout this entire week. I just won't be able to go live. Maybe I do go live by the pool, but the morning live trading sessions I will not be able to fully manage. Let's put this over here just to continue to watch while we look for news and stuff. Oh, okay. That's good. That's basically how I felt getting liquidated. None of these are reasonable. Okay. Thank you, Crypto Rover. Do you think it's just the market coming to terms with the fact that we're going to get the ETF? Whether or not it's today, but it's going to, yeah. Coinbase is confident the US Bitcoin ETF will be approved after SEC's court defeat. Oh, okay. That makes sense. They're getting bodied by Ripple, so now they're just like, you're screwed. The end. Ripple vs. SEC final court case update. This will not be the final court case update. We know that without a shadow of doubt. Yo, wait, they dropped charges? Shit. Oh, against the C-suite specifically. Okay. The end. Ripple vs. SEC final court case update. Thank you, James. The cryptocurrency community has finally witnessed the end of a long-running courtroom standoff in which the United States SEC sued Ripple over the issuance of selling XRP, with the SEC retreating from the case. Holy shit. Specifically, the SEC has agreed to dismiss the civil allegations against the blockchain company's CEO and co-founder. According to the court's decisions, documents shared by the former federal prosecutor and popular commentator in the case, in the last 3 years, we have a rogue administrative state that has been held accountable for its actions. Not just an investigation of the conflict of interest, but led to these baseless claims about how the U.S. actively demolished the global standard. Yeah, cool. I'm up on Bitcoin Cash 15% overall, but man, I need a little more profit. My 30-cent profit isn't enough. I feel that, dude. It's like, yeah, I doubled up my money. Let's go. Oh, it was $20 trade. Okay. That's still nice, dude. That's like a whole Chipotle burrito. 30 cents is unfortunate, though. Okay, so the actual court case itself, that's probably why XRP hasn't mooned. XRP didn't do anything crazy. It's just that they're no longer fighting those same allegations. Okay. It was sketchy too, because XRP, you guys can't see it, XRP was looking like it was going to break down pretty bad here. Before this giant green dildo showed up, when we were winding back over, we were down, I was like, damn, we're about to collapse. Hopefully this was a good play. It looks like on the 5 minute here, the RSI is starting to break out a little bit as it comes back down. Hopefully it doesn't get rejected here. Hopefully this is the divergence we needed. Let's see what else is trending. We got Ripple, Bitcoin, Jordan, no. Algo, I feel like every time Algo is trending, it's literally based off those scam, like, oh, Elon Musk is giving away 100 Algo, just click on my scam link and make money. These. I always feel like it's these. Okay, I don't see anything cool. UTXO, Yemen, WTK, James, ETF, Insurrection. Oh God. CBDC, Solana. I don't care for this. Alright, I don't really see any more news. It's literally just Ripple. Coinbase chooses Ireland for Mika. Who wouldn't? Are you kidding? Who wouldn't do that? Well, I guess we're just waiting to see how this trade plays out then. Did anything... I really did miss a lot of stuff, I feel like, when I was not coming live, not making too much content. I didn't post on TikTok, so I really got to make sure that that's a priority. I have a call at 10 o'clock with someone, and that should be good. That should be a good call. And then otherwise, this is just a pure content creation day. I would really like for this trade to play out nicely. I will obviously keep the Discord updated. You guys have questions or concerns or thoughts that you guys want to chat about here? Let's see. Let's see what was said in the PS chat. Looks like Biden addressed the nation in 30 minutes. This about to be sleepy. Yesterday at 7:30 p.m. Yeah. Good morning, Johnny. I feel like I'm gonna get it stopped out. I feel like this is gonna slow down. This is just my gut. We should have bounced already. We should have already bounced off of this. If ADA ends up being the play, I'll be so sad. Could we get these organized? No, it's just a matter of waiting to see what happens. Alright, well, I believe in the bounce. Did you swap your VXV for SBio yet? No. Again, I couldn't do it while I was away. I need my computer, and I need to sign up fully for whatever that other thing is called, that exchange. My problem is that my brain is too hyper-fixated on other things to actually swap out my small amount of VXV for SBio. It's like that time commitment thing in my head. I'm like, I could spend half an hour doing that, or I could try and do this other thing instead. But realistically, I should be doing it because I want some SBio. And it's for the portfolio update, right? So I gotta get going with it. The exchange is L Bank or something like that. We were talking about it in the Joshua Jake. Yeah, L Bank. Here, Derico's got a referral link, so we will use his referral link. I'll put it in my chat. It's in the Discord now. I'm gonna do some... Of course, Johnny, of course. All right. Thank you guys for being here. Not a very crazy one. Hopefully this trade goes smoothly for Johnny and I. Again, we're looking for that 1% gain. So I got in a little bit higher than needed. But that means because Bitcoin's so volatile here, it doesn't have to go back all the way up to the resistance. Doesn't have to hit that $30,000. Just trying to grab my 1%. And then if we don't grab that 1%, then we'll be stopped out at a 0.7% loss. It's a little bit less than that. I think it was 0.6. So almost good, almost a 2-to-1. Next week will be a very smooth week. We'll be good. I'll be pumping out content. You guys better be ready to see my face all over the place. Your time's your most valuable asset. Hopefully, this was worth investing into. Thank you for chilling here with me. I gotta hit the button.